we talk about opioids, there are two aspects of how I perceive what are the uses and dangers, pros and cons, utilization of chronic opioid management. If you are talking about acute pain in the hospital and the recovery from surgery and all those scenarios, opioids are used very commonly because you have to treat the patient's pain after the acute surgery, abdominal surgery, or heart surgery, and that's absolutely fine. But the challenge comes when we are dealing with the patients who come to us in a chronic pain situation. If the patient has a condition which requires chronic pain management and the patient has exhausted all the treatment options, just to give you an example, the patient is suffering from intractable, which is a severe pain, relentless pain, which is not going away with everything that you have tried, and the patient has a metastatic or spreading cancer in the body. So what do? You are actually managing the patients with the strong opioids while determining and while assessing that they are protected from the side effects. Now, with the challenge comes when we are dealing with the other segment of the patients who are suffering from just chronic conditions, non-cancer conditions. The challenges that we come across is, number one, from the patient's risk standpoint, which I always tell my patient, look, these long-term opioids can cause a lot of bad things, a lot of side effects. Number one is addiction. Addiction means you are physically and you are psychologically dependent on those medications. And number two, if you are taking these medications, but you're not improving your quality of life. So that means you are more dependent on the medication for some other reasons. Secondly, it can cause chronic constipations, sexual dysfunction, insomnia, depression, all the other things, bad things that come along with the chronic use of opioids. Risk of overdose, you're mixing with other medication like benzodiazepines, like Valium type medications, or muscle relaxant, can also have a negative effect on the patient's well-being. Second aspect is from the community well-being. So we are not serving the community if we are not giving these medications or prescribing these medications with responsibility. But I believe in responsible treatment of my patients when it comes to opioid management.